Hello, Ninang Deg. Happy 60th birthday. May your birthday filled with joy, love, happiness, good health, more blessings. God bless always. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Insan. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Pareho na tayong 60 years old ngayon. Mas nauna lang ako sa iyo ng ilang buwan. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Birthday drama.
Hello! Happy birthday, Insan, Mare. God bless.
Hi Nina Dig, it's your 60th birthday. Enjoy your special day. I love you and I miss you. God bless you and more power. Bye!
Hello, Inang Deg. Happy 60th birthday. May your day be filled with joy and laughter. 60th birthday and still great. Wishing you a birthday that's as special as you are. Have a fantastic day. Inang Deg, happy birthday.
Blessed 60th birthday, Ma'am Aiden. Naway sa karawan mong ito, ika-60th birthday mo, naway maging masaya ka at enjoy mo lang ang pagiging senior. At salamat sa pagkakataon na nabati kita sa iyong karawan, ika-60th birthday mo. Kahit hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko, gumawa ako ng video para lang mabati kita. At nagpapasalamat ako sa isa ako sa nakapagbati sa kaarawan mong ika-60th birthday mo. I love you with the love of the Lord.
Before we go to school, we'd like to greet you. Happy 60th birthday. We wish you all the best. Thank you for everything. See you soon. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ninang Deng. I wish you nothing but happiness and good health. See you soon.
Hello po, Ninang Dig. Hindi na po ako maglo-long message pero Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Den. Happy birthday. Welcome to senior life. Enjoy your day, Den. Wish ko is lagi kayong maging healthy ni Andy. Healthy, happy, and more blessings to come. Ito pala, yung kakambal ko.
Hi, Nina. Happy birthday. See you
See you soon!
Hi, Ninang Deg. Happy 60th birthday. We wish you all the best in life, good health, and happiness. We miss you and see you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon. Bye, Clara. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Ninang Deg. Happy 60th birthday. We wish you all the best in life, good health, and happiness. We miss you and see you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon. Bye, Clara. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Ellen.
Tita.
Tita Ellen.
Happy birthday, Ate. This is Edric. The newest addition to the family. Hope you have a good birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Eden. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Eden. Happy 60th birthday. May your special day be filled with love, laughter, and everything you've been wishing for. Hi, Ate Eden. Happy 60th birthday. We wish we're there to celebrate with you. Wishing you all the great things in life and stay happy, healthy, and more blessed. Well, love and miss you from all of us here in Lake Benton, Minnesota.
Happiest birthday, Ninang Deg. I pray God continues to bless you with good health and joy. You deserve all the best. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ninang Deg.
Happy birthday.
nga pinibagang ninang no aga happiest birthday ever. Hope to see you soon.
We miss you. Hope to see you.
Bye, Ninang.
Enjoy your day, ninang.